One rough stroke can throw off the shot you almost had. Welcome to my channel, where we're exploring the best billiard glove options for smoother cue control, better consistency, and confident aiming. Check the links in the description and choose the glove that helps every shot feel cleaner. The number 5 product on our list is Cuebots Billiard Glove. Sweat is the invisible thief that steals your accuracy right at the moment of impact. Imagine lining up a game-winning shot only to have your cue stick to your skin like glue. It is a frustrating reality for players who struggle with humidity or natural oils. This is where the Cuebots Billiard Glove steps in to change the physics of your bridge. It replaces unpredictable friction with a high-tech microfiber surface that feels incredibly sleek. The glide is so consistent it almost feels like your cue is floating on air. If you are tired of using messy powders that stain the cloth, this is your escape. The design features a ventilated mesh that keeps your hand from overheating during intense matches. It provides a secure grip with its anti-slip palm pad, ensuring your bridge stays anchored. For the serious competitor, this gear offers a level of stability that standard bare-handed play simply cannot match. While it is lightweight and stylish, some might find the single glove packaging a bit limiting if they prefer having a backup ready. Compared to a basic spandex wrap, this model offers much better durability and a more tailored fit. It is built for the player who values technical precision over flashy gimmicks. Using this tool brings a sense of calm to every stroke because you know the resistance will be zero every single time. It turns a clunky mechanical motion into a whisper-quiet slide. Elevate your equipment and watch your focus shift from your hands back to the rack. At number 4 is Votinu Billiard Glove. Your palm produces enough micro-moisture in a single high-stakes frame to turn a professional carbon fiber shaft into a sticky, stuttering nightmare. That agonizing friction ruins your follow-through and kills your accuracy before the cue even touches the cloth. The Cuebots Billiard Glove acts as a high-performance barrier against that physical frustration. Built from ultra-smooth, stretchable lycra, it transforms a sweaty grip into a frictionless glide that feels almost invisible. While many players start with the Votinu Billiard Glove for its basic utility, transitioning to this specific gear offers a noticeable jump in material resilience. The 3-finger open design keeps your sensory touch intact, but it is the anti-slip palm pad that truly changes the game. It locks your bridge hand to the table felt like an anchor, providing a level of steadiness that prevents those heartbreaking late-game miscues. Professional snooker fans and serious carom players will appreciate the reinforced fingertip stitching, which prevents the typical fraying seen in cheaper alternatives. On the downside, the sizing is quite specific, requiring a precise measurement of your palm width to ensure the lycra doesn't bunch up during a draw shot. It is the ideal purchase for the dedicated shooter who is tired of carrying talcum powder or dealing with inconsistent strokes. Choosing this accessory means replacing anxiety with a smooth, predictable slide on every single break. Your bridge becomes a foundation of pure stability, allowing your focus to remain entirely on the geometry of the table rather than the sweat on your skin. The third one on our list is YFY Billiard Glove. A single tremor in your bridge hand during a championship point can turn a certain victory into a haunting memory of what could have been. Most players struggle with the silent enemy of friction, where skin oils and humidity create a jerky, unpredictable stroke that ruins their natural rhythm. The Cuebots Billiard Glove enters the arena as a technical solution to this physical interference, wrapping your hand in high-quality spandex that mimics the feel of a second skin. It offers an effortless stretch that eliminates the restrictive bunching often found in the YFY Billiard Glove, allowing for total freedom of movement. The palm features a specialized butterfly mesh that acts like a cooling system, venting heat so your grip remains dry even under the intense lights of a tournament table. This design is paired with a suede and silicone patch, providing a rock-solid foundation that prevents your bridge from sliding mid-stroke. Serious enthusiasts and competitive league players should invest in this gear to reclaim control over their technical execution. While the double-stitched seams ensure longevity, the only drawback is the strict requirement to verify your hand orientation and size carefully before committing. This choice replaces the frustration of a sticky cue with the sensation of pure, liquid precision. It is a calculated upgrade for anyone ready to stop fighting their equipment and start mastering the felt. Your focus finally shifts from the mechanical struggle of the grip to the beautiful geometry of a perfectly executed bank shot. On number 2 is Konllen Billiards Glove. The friction between a damp palm and a high-end cue shaft creates a microscopic stutter that is responsible for more missed shots than poor aim ever will. That sudden jerk during a critical draw shot is a nightmare every serious player knows too well. The Cuebots Billiard Glove solves this by acting as a frictionless conduit between your intent and the cue ball. While the Konllen Billiards Glove offers variety through its cotton and spandex series, this specific piece of gear focuses on a specialized lycra blend that feels like a cooling breeze across your knuckles. It utilizes a 3-finger open design to keep your fingertips grounded on the felt, ensuring you never lose that vital sensory connection to the table. The palm is engineered with a breathable mesh and a dedicated sweat channel that keeps your hand bone dry even in a humid pool hall. This is the ideal upgrade for the league regular who needs a reliable, non-slip bridge for hours of continuous play. The ergonomic curved palm reduces hand fatigue, though some might find the Velcro wrist strap a bit bulky compared to minimalist alternatives. Choosing this tool means you are finally prioritizing a smooth, silk-like stroke over the messy inconsistency of bare skin. It provides a sense of absolute composure when the game is on the line and the room goes silent. Your bridge hand becomes a silent, immovable foundation that allows your talent to flow through the cue without a single hint of resistance. Now moving to the last one is Roaming Billiard Glove. Your skin is a living organism that constantly breathes and perspires, making it the most unreliable surface for a precision cue shaft to slide against. This biological reality creates a sticky drag that shatters your concentration right as you commit to a difficult long-distance pot. The Roaming Billiard Glove intervenes by providing a synthetic perfection that human skin simply cannot replicate. Crafted from a blend of polyester and elastane, this lycra fabric acts as a high-speed highway for your cue, ensuring every stroke is as fluid as running water. While searching for a top-tier billiards wrap often leads people to generic options, this specific model stands out by offering pro-level textile engineering at a fraction of the usual cost. It features an open finger design for tactile sensitivity and a non-slip heel pad that anchors your bridge hand firmly to the bays. The adjustable Velcro wrist strap allows for a snug, custom fit that doesn't restrict blood flow during those marathon practice sessions. It is a vital tool for right-handed players who demand a dry, skin-friendly barrier against the heat of the pool hall. A slight drawback is its specific left-hand orientation, which limits its use for lefties, but for the intended audience, it is a revelation in consistency. You are essentially buying a ticket to a world where friction no longer dictates your success. By removing the physical barrier of sweat and resistance, you unlock a level of poise that turns every rack into a masterpiece of controlled motion. So guys, this was the video about the best billiard glove. We've carefully covered some of the best options available right now to help you make a smarter and more confident decision. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, value for money, or the latest features, this guide was designed to give you a clear and practical overview so you can pick what truly fits your needs. If any of the products we mentioned caught your interest, you'll find all the links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for more details, updated pricing, and availability. Taking a moment to explore those links can really help you choose the right option without any confusion. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more useful and high-quality videos for you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.